North America. There are 23 sovereign states and 24 dependent territories in North America. Canada. The capital is Ottawa. Greenland, Denmark. The capital is Nuuk. Saint-Pierre and Miquelon, France. The capital is Saint-Pierre. United States. Washington, D.C. Mexico. Mexico City. Guatemala. Guatemala City. Belize. Belmopan. El Salvador. San Salvador. Honduras. Tegucigalpa. Nicaragua. Managua. Costa Rica. San Jose. Panama. Panama City. Cuba. Havana. Cayman Islands, United Kingdom. Georgetown. Jamaica. Kingston. Haiti. Port-au-Prince. Dominican Republic. Santo Domingo. The Bahamas. Nassau. Turks and Caicos Islands, United Kingdom. Cockburn Town. Puerto Rico. San Juan. U.S. Virgin Islands. Charlotte Amalie. Virgin Islands, United Kingdom. Road Town. Anguilla, United Kingdom. The Valley. Saint Martin, France. Marigot. Sint Maarten, Netherlands. Philipsburg. Saint Barthélemy, France. Gustavia. Saba, the Netherlands. The Bottom. Sint Eustatius, the Netherlands. Oranjestad. Antigua and Barbuda. St. John's. St. Kitts and Nevis. Basseterre. Montserrat, United Kingdom. Braids. Guadeloupe, France. Basseterre. Dominica. Roseau. Martinique, France. Fort-de-France. St. Lucia. Castries. Barbados. Bridgetown. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Kingstown. Grenada. St. George's. Trinidad and Tobago. Port of Spain. Aruba, the Netherlands. Oranjestad. Curaçao, the Netherlands. Willemstad. Bonaire, the Netherlands. Kralendijk. San Andres and Providencia, Colombia. San Andres. Clipperton Island, France. Bermuda, United Kingdom. Hamilton.